Hello everybody, this is your Shruthi Maam and I am back with an interesting question of the day. Before that, all updates, notifications, yellame kaila kadikirthukku definitely do scan this QR code and join our WhatsApp community. And இன்னைக்கு question என்ன அப்படின்னு சொன்னா very simple, give a clear definition of the term species. So if you look at the hierarchy of the different taxonomic categories, species is the lowest grade. So any other grade you can say group of similar species, group of similar genera, but species is the lowest, no? So how will you define a species? So this is the lowest hierarchy of the taxonomic categories, which comprises individuals that can interbreed and give viable offsprings. Now you should remember that one species can never mate with another species and give a completely fertile viable offspring. It is not naturally possible. So in nature we have these groups that are interbreeding amongst each other and they can produce proper fertile offsprings that can further reproduce into the next generation. So this is the pakka definition for species, and if you can write this you will get full marks in your pocket. Okay, so very simple question that we discussed today, but remember that our crash course is live now everybody. So XPL is our crash course for the NEET exam. We have both online and offline, so definitely do scan this QR code and join the course, and this is a limited period offer. You can get a 10% off using the code XPL10. Okay, apart from that we have our fast track badge, our Thalapathy badge and VETRI badge to help you ace your NEET exam like never before, and definitely do join our WhatsApp community for all the updates and notifications. Okay, so I'll see you all very soon in another class. All the very best.